Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be going over how I created this GLOKK40SPAZ cover art. And this was actually an official cover art if you guys didn't know. But yeah, I'm going to be breaking this down for you guys. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Basically, all this is this probably like one of the first instances I used of the kind of skull effect. If you guys do want to go ahead and check that video out, I'll leave a link down below. Alright, so start off, we got a background of hell. Just kind of like a hell background. I have this in the free pack. Not really much to it, kind of like a Gaussian blur on it, 13%. Then I don't think I use this to be honest, but then I got this kind of lightning. Then I got the image here. This is from his music video. I can't remember which one it was from, but this is the original picture. Then I just had a little glow behind them and some glows inside, you know, clipping mask, just to kind of create this glowy effect. Just kind of show you guys what I was working with. I have these adjustments on. I make sure to turn this off. I don't think I use that. This is the skull effect I was talking about here. So if you guys do want to go ahead, check that video out. I break down fully. This laser, what I did with this laser was as you guys can see, it's kind of like skewed. So just go to perspective and you guys can just literally grab this, just grab one of the corners here and kind of just scale it, like bring it down and up. You guys kind of get the hang of it after you guys like mess around with it a little bit. Yeah, just kind of try and understand how perspective works. Just mess around with it. It's not really much to it, you know. If you squeeze it down here and you bring it up here, it's gonna, you know, kind of widen it, you know, create a really nice effect. But yeah, just adding a few shadows around them. And then a shadow down here too, and you can already see it's literally like bringing out the whole cover. And then I added this explosion just around them, this really nice explosion. Pretty sure this is in the free pack too. I'm not I put everything in that pack. But yeah, this on lighter color, 51%. But yeah, that's basically all there is to it. As you can see, I had different versions of it, but this was the best one. So yeah, this is kind of my adjustment pack from my adjustment pack. If you guys are struggling with adjustments and want to literally upgrade your cover arts from this to this, make sure you guys do go ahead and check out my website down below. I will leave a link to that. But yeah, this is the whole adjustment pack. Boom. And we do have some textures here as well. So we have this one from Texture Labs, this lens effect. Put the linear dodge, bring the fill down to like 50, 40. Black market. Then the black market copy scanner effect. This is the 19th copy scanner, 37% linear dodge add. This is the overlay gradient map, black and white, just simple black and white. Put the overlay, just kind of make this darker. Bring the vibrance down a bit and saturation. Make a little S curve right here. Brightness and contrast. And the gradient map again, this is the red one, just kind of create that more, you know, red tone. And then a simple gray layer with a layer mask on it or a noise on it. Put that at 21%, just a nice light noise. Put the vivid light 32%. And yeah, that's basically it for this whole cover art. Like I said before, if you guys are struggling with your cover arts, make sure you guys go down below. Like I said before, you know, I have a whole pack full of my adjustments if you guys do want to go ahead and cop that.